Here we have question 3, very similar to question 2. All right, so let's jump right into it. Part A, O to A. Okay, so starting O, we're going to A. Okay, and we're told in the question that P, M, Q, and N are all midpoints. Okay, so how does being a midpoint help? Well, O to M, okay, is halfway O to A. Okay, so if it's halfway, then M must be half of the total. So then O to A here must be the other half, which then must be M. Okay, so O to A must be 2 lots of M. Okay, because you've gone halfway and you've done M, so then the other half must also be M. Okay, good. Part B. Okay, O to B, exact same thing. P is the midpoint, so O to P is halfway, so then P to B must be the other half. Okay, so then you add both these together, O to B is 2P. Okay, C. B to N. Okay, so B to N. All right, we go in here. Okay, now it's a parallelogram. Okay, so O to M is going to be the same as B to N because N is also a midpoint. So this is going to be M. Okay, so we can kind of just fill in all of the important information here on our diagram. Okay, because it's parallel. Okay, the P's are the same, the M's are the same. Okay, that's more of a visual thing than purely mathematical, but that should hopefully make a lot of sense to you. Okay, so B to N is just going to be M. Okay, D to Q. All right, so let me highlight where D is. Here's our D to Q. We've already said is M. Okay, so from just filling in that information, we're going to get a lot of these. Okay, E now, O to D. Okay, O to D. All right, and we don't know this initially, but we can start. How do we find a place where we start to get to the same end? Okay, well, we can use this route. Okay, or we can also use this route. Okay, it would give us the same answer. Okay, just forgot to fill those in. Okay, so O to D is going to be P plus M. M to Q now. All right, so we find M. Where is M? Here's M. Okay, M to Q. We're going up here. Okay, hopefully you can see this is parallel again, so we're doing the same thing, P plus M. Okay, and now just a bit of sanity check. I've got P plus M for 2. Well, these both are parallel. This is the same direction and same distance, so that should be fine. Okay, now G, O to Q. All right, O to Q. Okay, O to Q, we're going across 1P but up 2M. Okay, so we're plusing 2M. H, A to D. Okay, now we're starting up here, and now we're going to this middle bit here. Okay, so we're plusing P, but now we're minusing M. Okay, key thing here, we're minusing M because M is going up. M wants to go up, but we need to follow this line. Always draw on a diagram if you get confused. We follow P, and we go opposing M. Okay, so it's P take away M. Okay, and if you kind of got that wrong and got P plus M, you should be sanity checking with these two answers because we're going the opposite direction. It should not be looking the same. Okay, next one, we've got C to D. Okay, C to D. Okay, we do the same thing. If you'll get confused, we follow the line. It goes opposite M, and here it's also going opposite P. Okay, so it's negative M and also negative P. So negative P, take away M. Okay, and we can go the other direction if we want. I just chose one out of, just pick one, because both are the same. Opposite P, opposite M. Okay, so both directions that you start at C and end at D, because that's the key thing of starting at one place and ending at the same place. Okay, we don't actually need to have gone this way. It's the quickest, but we could have gone all the way down here, across here, and back up there. And that would still give us the same answer. Okay, and you can kind of sanity check that if you want to kind of comment that below if you get the same answer. Okay, next one, J, A to P. Okay, so we're starting at A, we're going down to P. So we're going across P, kind of vector P, not kind of place P, vector P. So across vector P, and then down 2M, take away 2M. Okay, P, take away 2 lots of M. Now B to M, we're starting at B, and now we are going to M. Okay, so this diagram started to get confusing, but we're doing the same things. Okay, B to M will go up 1M, but then we're taking away 2P. So M take away 2P. M take away 2P. Okay, and our last one, N to O. Okay, N to the origin. All right, take away an M, take away 2P. Take away M, take away 2P. And that's it. That's our final answers.